Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw another little easy shark video in honor of Shark Week. And I want to show you guys how to draw a simple shark popping its head out of the water. This is going to be very easy to do, and this is a great lesson for those younger viewers. To start off with this, you want to make the head of the shark. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a curved line that comes right to here. Now on this side, I want to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to start here at the top and just curve it down like this. Now right here, I want to make two circles for the eyes. So I'm going to draw a nice big circle here, and then another nice big circle right here. And you want to add another circle at the top. I like to have them go in the same direction. And the next step is just color this in. To have that step done, I'm going to move to the top, and I'm going to draw a curved line here, and then another curved line right there for the nose. Now we want to add the mouth. To do this, it's very easy. You want to leave some space on each side of the eye and make a big sad face. Don't let the sad face touch the eyes because it's not going to look right. Then draw a little line that connects it. Now you can go straight across or you can add a curve. I like to add the curve, just makes it look a little more realistic. And then fill up your mouth with lots of sharp teeth. So you want to put some big triangles at the top, and you can put a few big triangles at the bottom. And color it in again. Now the next step is I'm going to draw these lines down just a little bit farther. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines on here for the gills. Now you could always do this in red too, but I'm just going to show you guys where they're going to be. So I'm going to add them in there. Now we want to make this look like he's splashing out of the water. To do this, just make some little wavy lines like this. And you want to make them different sizes, and then put some going behind here as well, just to make it look like he's really splashing out of there. You can always add some little water drops coming out of here too. It's always cool if you make them different sizes and have an odd number when you have them. Put a couple more here, and maybe one more up here. Now the final step is starting down here at the bottom, we're going to make a squiggly line that goes right up to the eye. So make your squiggly line and then do the same thing to here. Now I'm going to take the squiggly line, I'm going to draw it all the way to the bottom of the nose, and then I'm going to come down all the way to the top of the eye. So start here at the eye, make your squiggly line. Should have went a little higher, but that's okay. And then draw it right down to here. And that's it. Very simple, very easy shark popping its head out of the water. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.